In this video, I'm gonna share with you one of the working methods how you can get more interview invites. And what I want to say that there is a real story behind that method. I mean, that was a real person who got recently a very nice job offer in one of the best fintech companies in Munich, and he was relocated here from Ecuador. Why I'm saying that exact country, but you should understand that the challenge that guy faced. I will start with step number 0. First of all, you need to have nice LinkedIn profile and nice CV. This is not a part of this video how to do it, but I assume you are a clever person and you will find a lot of information how to do it in internet. Now going to step number 1. You need to identify companies which are hiring specialists in your professional field and which have employee referral program. This step has 2 sub-steps. Sub-step number 1. You go to LinkedIn and let's put there something like most growing IT startups in Germany 2024. You simply go to the results, you can check those lists and choose the companies that you like. So let's assume that you identify the list of companies, and now we are going to sub-step number 2. We need to understand which companies have employee referral program. We can choose a company. For example, I will demonstrate it on Scalable Capital. It finds the company, and here we go to posts, and then we go to show all posts. You see, people are actively promoting different positions and they are putting there some short links. Usually those short links mean that this company has referral program, and if the candidate is hired, the referral, the employee in this case, will get some money bonus. And now we are going to step number 3. So you identified the companies. For example, you found the position which exactly match your skills. This is very important. Those positions should match your skills. And after that, you have to buy LinkedIn Premium. It will cost you something like $30 per month. This is not sponsored. We simply need a feature which will allow you to write direct messages to those employees without being connected. And now we are coming to step number 4. I think you already understand the idea, but not so fast. Let me explain you one thing. All those employee referral programs, they have, let's say, like 2 types of applications. First one is when somebody applied to the job position using this referral link, but the employee, he doesn't know him. But the most effective way, when candidate applies using this referral link, but employee also from himself writes a short recommendation to this person. I will explain how it works. All those employee referral programs, they are run in specific platforms. For example, Smart Recruiters or something like that. And when the HR reviews all these applications, he sees that, for example, this candidate used referral links of this exact employee, and this employee also gave him a recommendation. He immediately sees it in the full list. And this application has highest chances to get reviewed and, for example, for you at least to get the first invitation to the interview. So you understand, your goal is to be this highlighted person. Now we are going to step number 5, where we will write the message. I will explain what to write there. Hi, I'm Alex. I like your company and I want to apply to the position of senior Kotlin engineer. I will use your referral link and I will be very grateful if you will write me a recommendation as to person who has perfect match for this position. You know, this is very important here in this message. This employee will not lie to anybody that he knows you, but if your skills really perfectly match the position, I don't see any problems to write it into the recommendation that yes, this person really perfectly matches it. This employee will not compromise his reputation by, recommending just everybody from the market, because you are really a good fit to this position according to your skills. And if you miss some engineering skills, our sponsor aims to help you. I'm speaking about Brilliant here. Brilliant is specializing in courses for engineers, and this is where you learn by doing, with thousands of interactive lessons in math, data analysis, programming, and AI. Brilliant enhances your critical thinking skills by focusing on problem solving rather than memorization. As you gain practical knowledge on various subjects, you are also developing stronger thinking abilities. Being a software developer myself, I can add here that problem-solving approach will bring you much faster to the time when you can develop a solution yourself from the scratch, rather than looking for the ready solution, let's say on Stack Overflow, and try to implement it in your project. We all went through this stage, including me. Brilliant's expanding range of programming courses offers an excellent way to build foundational skills and apply them in real-world scenarios. Get hands-on with Python right from the start using the built-in drag-and-drop editor to begin creation of programs from the day one. Master key coding concepts like loops, variables, nesting, and conditionals as you progress. Train your mind to think like a programmer and start writing complex programs that can be used to develop games and applications. Try everything Brilliant has to offer you for free for the full 30 days. Visit brilliant.org/German Insider or scan the QR code on the screen. You can also use the link in the description to this video or in the pinned comment. You will also get 20% off from annual premium subscription on Brilliant. End of integrations, thank you very much, and let's continue with a small recap. Step number 0, you make a really nice looking LinkedIn profile. Step number 1, you identify companies which hire specialists in your professional field and which have employee referral program. Step number 2, you buy LinkedIn Premium and start write messages to the employees of this company. Step number 3, in those messages, you ask them for recommendation in exchange that you will use their referral link. Sounds like fair exchange for me. First of all, for whom this method will work? It will work for any levels of positions, not only in software engineering, everywhere until your skills perfectly match the position. This method will work for both for candidates from outside Germany and from inside Germany, but taking into account current situation in German IT market, of course, it will be nice if you will be already inside the country. So job seekers visa and opportunity cards are your friends here. From my experience, I can say that senior positions, management positions, different staff, principal engineers, those positions are very often being closed by people who are not coming from nowhere. Usually this is some recommendations, somebody works with somebody and recommended this person, or a direct hunt, for example. So be patient, always expand your skill set, learn a lot, and prepare to wait. Currently, it may last years to get your position, especially in IT. Don't expect it to get in 3 months. If you get it in 3 months, consider yourself very lucky. And if you're considering your relocation to Germany, you want to come to work here in IT or any other sphere, please watch one of the videos that you will see right now.